when the question may arise, this one, you see, I'm just gonna show you a little bit because I know we are too lazy. Yes, it's 10B. So they just say display the formula. Again, remember you have to retrieve, you change the question. They say hide column A and D, the two reference tables. Then you go, you check. They say A and D. They say A and D. Ooh. Okay, right. First of all, we are going to click formulas. Then there's something here called show formulas. You click it. After you click it, you go and click on top of A. You see, you'd highlight the whole column. You right click, then you say hide. You go again to D, you say right click, you hide, then you adjust so that it could fit. You see, you adjust so that it could fit. Open the lab. Okay, right. And then you adjust all the column. See? Remember, this one are too long, so you need to make sure that they are visible. They are visible. Try by all means to adjust the columns. You see? At least then adjust. Yes. Then that's how we display formulas. We need these formulas. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 11, 12, oh, I delete those ones. This is how we display formulas.